Today, you're going to learn how to report your stocks, dividends, and crypto correctly using ChatGPT to guide you through the information the IRS expects. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, new investors, traders, and anyone who wants a clearer way to organize their investment income before filing taxes. Before you begin, gather your brokerage statements, 1,999 forms, crypto transaction history, and records of your buys, sells, gains, and losses. These prompts will help you break everything down into a simple format you can use for your tax return. Start with an overall summary using: organize my investment activity for taxes. Here are my stock trades, dividends, and crypto transactions. Insert details. This gives you a clean overview of each category so nothing gets missed. Next, get help calculating gains and losses with: calculate my capital gains and losses for each trade, and create a summary I can report on Schedule D. This is especially helpful if you had multiple buys and sells through the year. For dividends, use summarize my dividend income and separate qualified and ordinary dividends for tax reporting. This matches what your 1099 DIY reports. For crypto, clarify taxable events using: tell me which of my crypto transactions are taxable and calculate gains, losses, and fees. This helps identify trades, swaps, staking rewards, and transfers. If you're unsure what to report, use explain what forms I need to report stocks, dividends, and crypto, and what information goes into each section. Before filing, double-check accuracy with list the most common mistakes people make when reporting investments and help me review mine. Finally, keep everything organized for next year using create a simple monthly routine to track my investment activity so tax season is easier. And that's it. With clear prompts and organized information, reporting stocks, dividends, and crypto becomes much simpler. Use ChatGPT at the start to organize your data and at the end to review it. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with, so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.